What will happen if you do 2 minutes of planks twice daily? Bodyweight exercises are gaining popularity in the fitness world due to their practicality and simplicity. Planks are one of the most popular bodyweight exercises that never go out of style, and with a good reason. You only have to invest a small amount of time, and it offers the possibility of achieving remarkable results in a relatively short period of time. You don't need a gym. After watching this video, you'd be starting doing planks right away. What will happen if you do 2 minutes of planks twice a day from now on? We will show you 8 amazing things that will happen to your body. Number 1. One exercise, many benefits. There are few fitness exercises as effective as planking exercises. Did you know that planks not only strengthen your core muscles, which are your abs and deep back muscles? As you hold yourself in position while planking, you'll find that your biceps, neck and shoulder muscles are also tested and loaded. When planking, we hold ourselves up through our arms and biceps, and by holding a plank position, our arm muscles are thus toned. Thus, planking is a good alternative to other forms of biceps exercises. Planking also develops the muscles of our butt. These muscles tend to be ignored by many exercises, so this is another great benefit. Similar to how we develop biceps and arm muscles, holding the plank position helps develop the muscles in our thighs as well. But the best part is that plank exercises don't take much time. It's best to start right away and make a routine out of our planks. Just 2 minutes twice a day and you will see the results. Number 2. You will improve your performance and definition. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abs precisely because they engage all the major trunk muscle groups. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, as they all serve their own purpose. Straight abs improve overall athletic performance, especially when jumping, and are responsible for your six-pack look. The lower abs help you to lift heavy weights in everyday life. Oblique abs improve capacity for stable lateral bending and lifting, and support the spine. You'll be less prone to back pain. Number 3. Your risk of back and spine injury decreases significantly. Planking is an exercise that allows you to build muscle while making sure you don't put too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to recent findings in sports science, regular planking not only significantly reduces back pain, but also strengthens your back muscles and provides strong upper back support. Especially if you suffer from back pain, you should try this exercise. 4. Your metabolism works at full speed. Planking is a great way to challenge your entire body because it burns more calories each day than other traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. When you do this exercise every day, the muscles you use ensure that you burn more energy even when you're sedentary. Of course, this is especially beneficial if you spend most of the day sitting. If you do planking daily, you'll even burn fat while you sleep. Number 5. You will notice that your everyday posture improves. Planking exercises have a huge effect on your posture, and strong posture comes with a variety of fantastic benefits. Good posture ensures your body is properly aligned, which means your bones and joints are better cared for and healthier, but also improves the overall effectiveness of your muscles. Good posture ensures that your back, and especially your spine, is in the right position, which means you have less back pain. In addition, we humans associate good posture with a healthy and confident state of being. Number 6. Your balance is improved. How long can you stand on one leg with your eyes closed? Just a few seconds? Often it's because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to give you balance you need. You will improve your balance when doing the planks. Number 7. You will become more flexible. More flexibility is another benefit if you do planking regularly. It stretches all your posterior body areas, shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching leg flexors, instep, and toes. Hyperextending your toes is a movement that is critical to supporting your body weight. Number 8. You will notice mental benefits. Planking exerts a special effect on our nerves. making it an excellent way to improve overall mood. You'll stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body during this exercise. Maybe you sit in a chair all day, at home or at work. In this process, your legs get poor circulation. Maybe your legs get heavy. Your body is bent forward and you get a hunched back and tension in the neck develops. These are all circumstances that put a lot of stress on muscles and nerves. When you do planks, you stretch your body and put it in a straight position. You'll notice that you feel less stress, anxiety, and depressive symptoms as a result. All that matters is that you build a routine of 2 minutes twice a day. After watching the video, grab a timer and start right away. You will see that your body will change for the better. Before you go, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.